What details are known about the drone swarm that targeted Moscow recently? This unprecedented attack stunned experts with its scale and precision. You need to know how this swarm operated and what it means for modern warfare. The recent drone swarm attack on Moscow involved an estimated 20 to 30 drones launched simultaneously. These drones targeted critical infrastructure and government buildings during the night, maximizing their chances of evading air defenses. The scale was unusual, indicating a coordinated strategy rather than a random strike. This level of simultaneous deployment is rare in drone warfare and highlights a new phase in conflict tactics where swarms can overwhelm traditional defense systems. The drones used in this attack were relatively small but packed with advanced technologies. Each drone was equipped with GPS navigation and likely communicated with each other through a mesh network. This coordination allowed the swarm to adapt in real time, avoiding countermeasures and focusing on specific targets. The use of commercial drones modified for military purposes shows how accessible advanced drone warfare has become, posing challenges for traditional anti-air defenses. Despite limited physical damage and no reported casualties, the psychological and strategic impact was significant. Moscow's air defense systems were activated quickly, but struggled to counter the swarm effectively. This incident reveals how traditional defense setups may be outdated against new drone swarm tactics. Military analysts suggest this will accelerate investment in automated counter-drone technologies and electronic warfare to defend against future swarm attacks. The drone swarm attack on Moscow shows how rapidly drone warfare is evolving. Coordinated swarms can challenge powerful defenses with low-cost technology. Staying ahead means investing in smarter, faster countermeasures. If you want to keep up with surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe for daily insights.